If you're a business owner or marketer wanting to leverage Google's free tool, Google Keyword Planner, to find relevant and profitable keywords for your PPC campaign, you've clicked on the right video. Because in this video, we're going to go through the exact process our agency uses to find hundreds of keyword ideas for our clients and how you can model this process for your own campaigns. So be sure to tune in and comment below how many times you think I'm going to say keyword in this video. The answer will surprise you. What is up, digital magicians? My name is Gabriel Matt, here back with another video on Google and PPC marketing. If you're new to the channel, welcome! This is the best place for marketers, agencies, and business owners who want to scale their business online through paid advertising. So please support us on our goal to hit 1,000 subs by the end of the year. All you have to do is literally click that subscribe button right there, and we're committed to posting at least one valuable piece of content a week for business owners and entrepreneurs who want to develop their marketing strategy online. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. If you're a business owner wanting to run Google Ads or even drive traffic through SEO, you're going to run into the concept of keyword research. What is keyword research, you might be asking yourself? That's a great question. Pretend that you're an e-commerce brand owner selling dog leashes in the US, and you want to know the actual search terms your potential customers are making around the US that could be relevant to your product, like best dog leashes near me, dog leashes for sale, or even more niche like poodle dog leashes. Not only this, but you want to know the search volumes of each of these terms that actually show how many of these searches you're bidding for. And finally, you want to know the competitive density or estimated cost per click for each of these terms to ensure you don't blow all your budget on one or two keywords. You can see finding and choosing the right keywords is arguably one of the most important aspects of your Google Ads campaign. If you get just one of these three aspects wrong, you could cost your business hundreds, if not thousands, on ineffective marketing spend. But don't worry, lucky for us, Google has provided us with an absolutely, completely free tool to prevent this from ever happening called Google Keyword Planner. So today I'm going to show you the 3 simple steps on how to use this tool to find keywords for your Google Ads campaign. And make sure to stick around to the end for our bonus segment, where I show you the 3-step process with a real life business example, one of our clients. So stick around to the end, it'll be worth it. First thing you want to do is navigate to the Google Ads Keyword Planner. If you don't already have a Google Ads account, you want to watch my Google Ads tutorial, my first video I've done for beginners to show you how to set it up in 2 minutes. The link will be in the description. All right, to find Keyword Planner, to do this, all you have to do is go on the dashboard, click Tools and Settings, and under Planning, click Keyword Planner. And once you're here, you'll want to click Discover New Keywords. Here you're going to be prompted to enter 1 or 2 keywords relevant to your products or services, which leads me to my next point and the first step, finding keywords. There are 4 really easy ways to find keywords to input into a keyword planner and actually research the search terms. 1. Core products-services. Enter the solutions your business provides. If you're a builder, try builder. Builder near me, Builder Brisbane, best builders. 2. Google search bar. Just go into the Google search bar and start entering in your business core solution, and Google will provide you a drop-down selection of search terms people are making. There's plenty of ideas here based on billions of searches made per day on Google, documented by the algorithm. 3. Analyze competitors. Search for your service on Google and take a look at the keywords your competitors are using on their paid and organic listings. For example, I made the search Builders Brisbane and have found competitors using words like luxury home builder, local Brisbane builders, custom home builders. If these variants match our service, I'll definitely want to document these and use them in our keyword research. 4. Keyword Planner's website scraper. Another cool strategy you can try to find keywords is to use Google Keyword Planner's website scraper. When you're on the planner, just click Start with a website on the right-hand side of navigation and enter your website or the website of any of your competitors. You can then choose to scrape the whole website or just a specific page. And once you click Get Results, the tool will spit out a bunch of keywords relevant to your industry used on the websites, which is great for marketers to use. Make sure to try each of these steps, all of them if possible, to get as many ideas for when we get to the next stage. Step 2, building your keyword list. Well done. You've got your ideas on what to research and are about to be in the top 30% of advertisers on Google, because you're about to learn how to find keywords on Google like a freaking pro. Let's start by adjusting the geographic location to whatever area you service and enter your first base keyword to research. Pro tip, only research one keyword idea at a time to make life way easier for you than entering 2 or more keywords in the search. For my example, home builder business, I'm going to select Brisbane as my geographic area because that's the only place we service. And one of my core services that we did from the step before is custom homes. So I'm going to enter that into the search bar and press to get results. And magically, the tool will spit out hundreds of search terms people are making, containing, or similar to custom homes. As you scroll through, you want to start selecting search terms that match your services. Don't worry about the average monthly searches or other metrics yet. The goal of this step is just to populate as big of a list as possible and filter later. To add these to a list, you'll want to select the ones you want and choose to add the keywords to your plan. You'll be prompted to name the ad group you place these in the plan. My recommendation is just call the ad group whatever the base keyword was. So for this example, I just used custom homes as the ad group name. Now rinse and repeat this process for all your keyword ideas. So I'll start trying phrases like luxury homes, builders near me, etc. and build up my list that way. Just aim to build a list of at least 50 to 100 keywords related to your business. I mean, the more the merrier, because on the next step, we're actually going to clean our list and remove unwanted search terms using the 3-step criteria our agency uses. All right, you've built your list to at least 50 relevant keywords in your industry, which you can look by selecting your keyword plan on the left-hand side of the screen. You can name your plan whatever you like, and now you're ready to select the keywords to target in your campaign. To do this, you're going to use a 3-step formula our agency actually uses for all our clients. These are search volume, competitive density, and search intent. Number 1, search volume. Naturally, some phrases will be used in more search terms than others. And the general rule is the longer the phrase, i.e. the longer tail words, the less search volume. Which makes sense, right? Longer search terms are less likely to be made than shorter ones. When choosing keywords, you want to actually choose keywords ideally with 100+ searches made per month for larger geographic targeted locations like Australia-wide campaigns, or at least 20 searches for localized campaigns just in Brisbane, for example. So make sure to filter the ones that are less than those numbers out of your list. 2, competitive density. Competitive density measures how expensive it is to bid for a keyword. You'll notice that the higher searched, shorter tail keywords are much more competitive, more advertisers than longer tail keywords. Hence, the predicted cost per click for these will be higher. To avoid overpaying for the click, especially on a small budget starting out, you want to try to avoid these keywords that the big players are investing into. To assess this, just average the cost per click between the top of page bid, low range, and the top of page bid, high range, i.e. add them up and divide them by 2. This will give you an approximate cost per click for the keywords. And your goal really is to pay the least amount per click to save your budget and avoid those high CPC competitive keywords. Search intent. If you just do this step alone, filtering keywords based on search intent, you'll be ahead, I promise you, of 99% of advertisers. Why? Because you can't use numbers to measure why someone made a search. It's a qualitative metric. You have to actually critically assess if it's relevant yourself. To do this, you want to actually look at the search term made and ask yourself, is this someone actively looking for the solution my business solves? What you want to avoid is top of funnel researchers that aren't ready to acquire or buy from you on Google. For example, if I sell custom homes and I want to rank for keywords like custom homes near me, custom homes for sale, I don't want to waste my budget or time on people searching for things like how to build a custom home, what is the price of a custom home, best custom homes, which is a comparative metric. These kind of searches are seeking information, not solutions. And although content marketing is a whole other topic that we can talk in another video for driving leads, this is not the purpose of Google Ads. Remember this, if you remember anything in this video, Google Ads are focused on driving bottom of funnel, high intent leads actively looking for your solution. Google will actually lower the quality score of your campaigns if you start driving traffic with mismatched search intent keywords like the ones above. So go ahead and ask yourself on your list of these keywords, do these actually match the search intent of my website, landing page, or business offering? If they don't, remove them. Congrats, you've now got a healthy list of keywords ready to use for your Google Ads campaign. As promised, for the viewers who made it this far, I reward you with an example of building a list for one of our clients. So if you watch through now, I'm gonna go through one of the clients using those steps above.
All right, we're now gonna do this example on a business, just a random niche. I'm gonna choose dog leashes just because we use that example in the video. So we're gonna click into discover new keywords. And as you guys know, we can change the location and add our services here. So I already know this niche, so let's just say dog leashes will be our search term and we target Australia wide. We're an e-commerce brand. Save that, and now let's go check the search volume for things around dog leashes. So we can see already that the competition is quite high. However, the cost per click seems to be relatively tame either way because there's just enough search volume. And what's even better for if you ever want to start an e-com business around it as well, there's a lot of niche specific ones like gentle leader, dog harmless. So obviously a lot of particular niches within dog leashes. So we're going to start building our list. So dog leashes, I'm going to already look at the volume. Yes, of course, that one fits my volume, fits my service. And you can already see that the competitive density, we're probably paying about 75 cents, 80 cents per click, which is not too bad. Obviously, you can see some cheaper ones as we go through, but we just got to check for our competitive density and our volume, and of course our relevancy. So off the leash might be a competitor, or it might be a specific type of product. I'm assuming it's a type of product actually. So yeah, long dog leash, as long as they match, I'm going to start adding them. So I'm going to say rope, long, let's say we do custom. So it seems like harmless leashes are kind of the big thing. Again, I would double check the competitiveness, see that they're within sort of my budget. This one might be a little bit too expensive, custom, and if I don't do them, maybe not worth going for them. So a plan, let's call it dog leashes. We'll create the group, and then I can choose the match type, which we'll go over in another video. But for this case, I'll choose phrase and then add the keywords.
I hope you found that immensely valuable, guys, for building your Google Ads campaign. I hope you see how important keyword research is. And now for the keyword counter. During the video, I said keyword 64 times. If you guessed that right, congrats. You're a god or goddess or both. Whatever you want to be, we respect it on the channel. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell below and enjoy the rest of your day. Shout out to Trent for helping me film this. And